Good morning, Year 5. Happy Wednesday. So here we are doing 4 digits by 1 today. So exactly the same as Monday and Tuesday, just to keep us in the swing of things. We're going to be doing 2 starter questions today. And we've got 4 digits this time. So we're doing 2,345 times 5 and 5,436 times 6. We must make sure we use the formal method for our short multiplications and set it out nice and neatly so that we can see our numbers in the squares. If you don't have squared paper, don't worry, just make sure you leave enough room between each numbers so you can see them clearly. We're going to go through the answers on the next page like we've done the past 2 days. So if you have a go at these now, pause the video, have a go, remember no cheating, and you need to have a go at these for me. Okay? So here we go, all set out in the formal way as we know from the past few days. We've just got an extra number this time, so we've got 4 digits and we've got thousands today. So we have 5 times 5, again we're not adding, so it's 5 times 5 in our 5 times table, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I put my 5 in my units column and I carry the 2. Then I've got 4 times 5 here, or again 5 times 4, either way, which is 20, but I've got a 2 down here that I need to add, so it takes me to 22. I put my 2 in and carry the 2 along. Then I've got 5 times 3, and 5 times 3, again if I do my 5 times tables, 5, 10, 15, I've got 15, 15 and 2, which is here, will give me 17. And I carry the 1, lots of carrying today. And then 5 times 2, easy peasy that one, so 5 times 2 is 10. I've got an extra 1 here, so that will make it 11. Now my comma goes from the first 3 numbers, so 1, 2, 3 goes in the correct place here, 11,725. And that's just as easy as peasy. Next one, 6 times 6. Again, I would need your guys' help with this one normally. 6 times 6 is 36. So we've got the 6 and we carry the 3. Then we've got 6 times 3. And 6 times 3 is 18. But I've got an extra 3 down here. So I've got to add 3 to my 18. So I've got 18 in my head and I carry on. So 19, 20, 21. And I put the 1 in and I carry the 2. Then I have 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. But again, don't forget we've got these ones to carry down here. 24 add 2 is 26. And I carry my 2 again. Then I've got 6 times 5. Now 6 times 5, if I do my 5 times tables again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I've got 30 and I need to add the extra 2, which will take me to 32. I can put the 3 in there because I don't have anything in this column. So again, 3 numbers in, 1, 2, 3, and my comma goes in the right place. So 32,616. If you got those ones right as normal, send them to me on Class Dojo and I can give you a big tick. So well done. Here we have another calculation again. So we can see that Alex has calculated 1,432 and she's times it by 4. So her answer is here. So let's write it on here so we can work that one out. Now you can laugh at me writing this on the computers. It's very difficult, but just about getting used to it. There we go. Not very good at the straight lines. Use the ruler tool usually. Oh, that was quite straight. Oh, that one wasn't. Then we have our calculation to do. So 4 times 2 would give us 8. 3 times 4, or 4 times 3, either way again. 3 times 4 is 12. Now Alex has put that here. Well, what has Alex done wrong? Now I can't give anybody an answer because I can't actually hear what you're saying, but I'm hoping at this moment in time you're shouting at the screen that she's not carried it properly. So we must make sure that the 2 goes in and the 1 gets carried. We can't put 2 numbers in one singular column, can we? We know that. So 4 times 4 is 16. Again, she's got the right answer, but she's put 2 numbers in one column, and we know we can't do that. So we need to make sure we have 16 in our heads and add the 1, which would give us 17. 7 goes in the column and we carry the 1. Then we have 4 times 1, which is 4. And then we have an extra one here, which is 5. So we've got 5,728. So Alex's mistake is that she put 2 numbers in one column, and that's why she's got such a bigger number than we have. She forgot to carry her numbers. Okay? I'm sure as year 5 we'd be able to do that nice and easy. Now, if you are feeling a little bit lost on this and you still need a bit more time to get onto those green questions, these are the ones you are going to want to do first. So you've got a true or false like yesterday, so you've got to work them out. I will go through 1A again and then you will do the rest by yourself. So 1A, we have to decide if it is true or false. Okay? We have 9,636 as the answer. Let's see if that's what we get. So 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1. 3 multiplied by itself is 3. 3 times 3 is 6, they've put. Is 3 times 3 actually 6? Or have they accidentally added there? I think they've accidentally added. So 3 times 3 is actually 9 for that one. And then we've got 3 times 3 again, which is 9. So where they have gone wrong is that in their hundreds column here, they have added by accident the number rather than times it, because they've done it right here, but they've not done it right on this one. So their answer is wrong, so it is false. Okay, you are going to have a go at that one by yourself, and then you will do these ones afterwards. Okay. If you are feeling, yes, I can understand all these questions you have given us so far, Miss Bonnet, you will move on to this one with the little light bulb above it, which you know is where you go to from Monday. So first of all, you're going to look at see what Ron's done here. Now, Ron might have made a very silly mistake and wasted quite a bit of time in his working out. Did he need to do it? You need to tell me why. Then there are some multiplications that you need to notice something about. Okay, when you do notice it, you need to explain as usual. And then here, you've got to make the closest number to 8,000. So your answer that goes in here, has got to be as close as it can be to 8,000. But you can only use these 5 cards, okay? And you can only use them once. All right? Then, when you are happy that you have done those questions, there are the challenge questions as normal. So we've got the submarine questions like we have in class. So we know exactly what they look like. And I've just put a little reminder up here that you need to make sure you use your STEM sentences. So I've added a few here so you remember what they were. This one, you're identifying mistakes that this person has done wrong. And it says, explain. I think that might be my favourite word at the moment. And then this one here, if you have a go at this again, as normal, you will have dojos up for grabs if you have a go. All I ever ask is that you have a go. So good luck with that one. That is the mastery challenge for today. And that's today's maths lesson. Enjoy.